Hi, my name is Taylor with Contral Trailers, and today we'll be going through best practices for loading a 20-foot container using our CDU 39 gooseneck trailer. If you haven't already and you're using this video for training purposes, I would advise you to please watch our components video. That way you understand which pieces I'm talking about when. If you already have, we'll go ahead and get into it. I'll be assisted by my good friend Jeff Noble with Contain It Mobile Storage here in Ohio today. We're going to go ahead and get started. First steps before you load any container is to remove all your lock pins and stop blocks to make sure there's nothing in the way when you go to load a container. We'll do that now. Your next step will be to start the pony motor. We recommend that when running the pony motor, you run it at full speed. To prepare to load your container, step one is to slide your axles all the way to the forward position. Once the axles have reached their forward position, you can tilt the trailer all the way to the upright position. That will prepare us to attach to the container. Next step, you'll use the corner casting chain and you'll put the chucks in the corner casting holes. Then you'll attach the corner casting chain to the lead-off chain. At which point you'll then attach the lead-off chain into your chain drive system. When loading a container, you will not need to use blocks in any way to get the container to pop up onto the deck. You just need to make sure that the deck is resting slightly on the ground or just above. At which point, as you run the chain drive forward, the container should pop up onto the deck.
In this example, we have the truck in neutral, so the trailer will roll underneath the container.
Once the container is on the deck, we recommend you leveling the deck out a little bit. That way you're putting less strain on the system and it's easier for the container to slide forward. Once the corner casting chain has reached the main chain drive of the trailer, be sure to remove your lead-off chain to avoid any damage. From here, your corner casting chain will pull the container the rest of the way home.
Once the container is more than halfway on the deck, you can tilt the deck back to its horizontal position and allow the chain drive to pull the container the rest of the way forward.
Pay close attention to your container once it reaches the front of the deck. it will hit your removable stop blocks, at which point, best practice is to turn the engine off and go ahead and secure the container with the provided lock pins. This concludes our video on how to load one 20-foot container to the front of any of our Contral trailers. Up next, we'll do a video on how to load the second 20 behind this and then to unload. Thank you.